Pivotal Comware's unique ecosystem of products and services delivers on the promise of 5G by leveraging millimeter wave's capacity and directivity. Network operators can match costs with revenues by deploying 5G millimeter wave precisely with subscriber demand instead of broad geographies, while greatly reducing total cost of ownership and time to revenue for their millimeter wave networks. Pivotal's product ecosystem, integrated with holographic beamforming technology, is comprised of the low-profile, low-power Pivot 5G network repeater, customer installable Echo 5G subscriber repeater, cloud-based network and economic planning tool Wavescape, and the cloud-based Intelligent Beam Management System IBMS. Pivotal's products and services are now deploying at scale.
Like food and water and shelter, broadband connectivity has become essential to life. Pivotal Comware's vision is a world of limitless connectivity. This connectivity drives the next generation of applications and devices and ushers in new technologies such as augmented and virtual reality, telepresence, and the metaverse. This is going to drive incredible gains in human productivity, GDP growth, and overall enhance the human experience.
As millimeter wave coverage expands, Pivotal envisions new and exciting 5G services for commercial and residential users, made possible by millimeter wave's ultra-high capacity and ultra-low latency. Here, a fibre-connected G-Node B provides millimeter wave coverage to some homes and businesses. The Pivot expands the G-Node B's coverage and spreads its capacity beyond the G-Node B's line of sight. A narrow Pivot donor beam passes a millimeter wave signal from the G-Node B to a wider Pivot service beam to serve more subscribers, in this case a strip mall and a cafe. The cafe has installed an Echo 5G boost on its low-E glass facade to facilitate millimeter wave signal indoors for customers and staff. Millimeter wave has the capacity to serve all enabled devices today, plus over-the-horizon devices. Behind the scenes, inventory levels are optimized with computer vision and edge computing.
Since the dawn of 5G and certainly of millimeter wave, Pivotal's been at the frontier of this technology. We were the first into market with a subscriber repeater, our Echo 5G product, which allows you to create an environment of ubiquitous millimeter wave coverage indoors.
Occupants of this MDU enjoy the millimeter wave lifestyle thanks to indoor signal penetration facilitated by the Echo 5G. Bandwidth-intensive augmented reality applications will become commonplace with millimeter wave connectivity. Outside, the same Pivot covering the MDU building also serves using capacity from the same G-Node B, a nearby office building.
Pivotal is an incredibly disruptive company in the telecom industry because we have entirely new technology, a different way of doing things than anybody else does, and we have new business models. So while others may just sell a component that a system integrator goes out and uses, we sell the whole product and the know-how to know where and when and how to deploy it, and then we go and do that.
Pivotal has cracked the code on millimeter wave deployment, and in essence brought together an entire ecosystem of products, application, and even services to work shoulder to shoulder with mobile network operators to deploy networks with the lowest total cost of ownership, quickest time to market, and the most confidence of coverage, capacity, and low latency.